Hey guys, this week in the 6-week Mastermind course, it's all about rocking the installation. And having rocked some installations and not rocked some installations, because I am sometimes an idiot, it's always important to not just inspect your work, inspect other people's work, test your work. It's important to keep the data going, because you will have a situation where a client says, you know what, this house used to be great, but now I think it might not be great. What happened to me literally yesterday really hurt my feelings. My wife said she was coughing, and she goes, I think my cough gets worse when I'm in this house. Talking about the Tiny Lab, which is, we talk all the time about it being the highest performance tiny house on wheels in the world. I know, I'm the guy who built it with my parents, and you know, she was pregnant. She was not able to help at the time, but I know what that house does. We have 24-hour ventilation, it's airtight, we have a dehumidification system, we have a perfectly running HVAC system. I did, it made me motivated enough to go wipe down the HVAC system, make sure there wasn't any, you know, mildew forming or anything like that, because we have a ductless mini split. See the video on maintaining those if you have not. But you'll have that happen. And it's a psychological thing that happens where people get sick and they're like, oh, I think my house might be making me sick. And if they're smart enough to know what home performance is, they're smart enough to think that it might be their home's performance, even if it's not the home's performance. So that's why it's important to then whip out your test tools and see whether it actually is the house. Because when we get smarter about home performance, we also get a little bit more picky and a little bit more afraid, a little bit more concerned about things. So make sure that you've got data, because just having opinions and, oh, this house is great, as a husband doesn't work. As a contractor, it's not gonna work. So anyway, I'm just gonna say, you're gonna get your feelings hurt, let it happen, it's okay, keep testing. Tune in next time.